of all, we talked about pre-leading all of our patterns from the anchor of the previous pattern. We are aligning ourselves on one of the three tracks, either in the center, on the left, or on the right. My rib cage, I'm lining up with one of her shoulders if I'm on the track. We start off with just a basic wrap in, the basic wrap out. Do it again. And then I'm going to tell her I'm doing a blocking pattern. So I'm wrapping in the middle. Right? And then we're going to take in 2 walking steps. Walk, walk. We talked about delaying that last step. Some of you were hitting at the strike of the beat and holding. You don't want that. Bleed the whole count with that instead. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.
Delay. Yeah. Yep. And to get her out of this, I am transferring my weight, bringing my arm with me. Yeah. And then we went to the ending.
5 and 6.
Alright. I'm blocking her.
8, 9, 10.
I did all walking steps there, but you could do triples or walks depending on what you need.
Follows, remember when you're in those things, elbows, either fully committed or you're not committed.